Here's a 30 feet flexible rods super dryer vent cleaning kit. It comes with vacuum and dryer adapters. Prevent fire risk of your beautiful house by using this brush to clean the built up lint in the cloth dryer vent pipe. Here's the tools that we have inside. We have a brush, a vacuum attachment, another vacuum attachment. We have the cleaning brush for the drill. All the rods to attach to the drill. And the vacuum attachment. Okay, so we can attach our vacuum there. The bit to attach to the drill is attached to these rods. Let's attach the bit to the drill. Just going to tighten that up. That's good. This rod just screws onto the bit. And then this cleaning tool just screws onto the end of the rod. Okay, dryer's pulled out, unplugged from the wall. Same with the pipe. There's the drill with the attachment on it. Good amount of dust in there. Rake the dust out of there. Rake the dust out of there. And gets all that extra dust. Alright, everything's reattached.